Would you like to save yourself a huge amount of time, money and frustration and guarantee the success of your marketing efforts? Well, in this training, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. You're going to learn a simple process to gather a list of products and services people desperately need and will pay money for. The same process will enable you to collect powerful sales copy to use on your sales pages, Facebook ads, emails, and other marketing materials. And the same simple process will help you to build an email list of people to sell to, even before you have a product or have ever written a blog post. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Well, what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to set up a market research survey for free with Google Forms. I'm going to show you the 3 questions that are pretty magic questions that are going to getting some incredible responses. I'm going to show you how to distribute the survey to get the responses and how to analyze the survey. So there's nothing more powerful in marketing than intimately understanding a customer's pain points and desires. And this is what this process is going to enable you to do. This is going to save you a huge amount of time, because you wouldn't believe the amount of people who say to me, you know, I'm disappointed my Facebook ads didn't work. And I say, well, did you address any pain points? Did you address any of their desires? I take a look, none of that's there. And so you got to understand that as step 1, even before you write a blog post, even before you do a Facebook ad, etc. So I've used this market research process to develop my own products and services, and you can too. I used it for companies I've worked for and for clients. And at the end of this training, you will have this process as part of your toolkit to really hand all that valuable information to them. So let us get started and create that market research survey.